Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. So to get the government as well as the private sector job notifications, then please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And whatever the videos you are getting from my channel, so please share, like and comment the videos. And in this video, we are going to see the permanent PGT teacher vacancies notification from one of the State Public Service Commission. And you are going to get the level 10 pay scale, guys. So it will be the wonderful opportunity. So I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those subjects. It will be very much helpful to them. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Odisha Public Service Commission. So from this one here we got this recruitment notification, guys, that you may check down. Recruitment to the post of postgraduate teachers under the science streams in Group B state service for the newly created 10 members of Kalinga Model Residential Schools and the Biju Patnaik Adarsha under the ST and SC Development Department. Okay. So here the online applications are invited from the candidates through the proforma application to be made available on the official website itself. So it is official website, right? And you need to click on this apply online, then you will be directed to the which job you want to apply. Fine. So the link for registration and the re-registration and payment of examination fee is available from 17th November 2021 to 16th December 2021. Okay. For the recruitment of 58 posts of the PGT teachers, Group B, and you are going to get in the scale of pay 44,900 in level 10. Cell 1 of the pay matrix of ORSP rules 2017 and other allowances as may be sanctioned by the government of Odisha from time to time. The posts are temporary and are likely to be made permanent, right? So there is a chance of making the permanent these positions, guys. Okay, so don't worry, even though if it is a temporary right now, so there are chances are there to make the permanent, right? So the vacancy positions are given here as per the requisition filled up by the ST and the SC Development Department. Here the vacancies are split up as per the caste category. So I may check down physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics and computer science. The number of vacancies are mentioned here. And as per the unreserved category, ST, SC and the remaining categories, the number of vacancies are split up. Okay. And coming to the, so the few general instructions are given here. You may check down, and the age limitation. A candidate must have the attained age of 21 years and must not be above the age of 32 years as on the first day of Jan 2021. And he or she must be born not earlier than 2nd Jan 1989 and not later than 1st Jan 2000. And of course, the age relaxations are as per the caste category, guys. Here they mentioned that 5 years for the candidates belongs to SC, ST, socially and educationally backward classes, women and ex-servicemen, and by 10 years for the persons with disabilities whose permanent disability is of 40% and more. Okay. And yeah, coming to the educational qualification, the essential qualifications required here are: a candidate must be master's degree in the subject concerned from a recognized university with at least 50% of marks in aggregate must be there, or else must have possessed the 2 years integrated postgraduate MSc course from a NCERT in the concerned subject with 50% of marks in the aggregate. But mandatory B.Ed must be there. Okay, have B.Ed or equivalent degree recognized by the National Council for Teacher Education. So इस jobs को apply करने के लिए post graduation और कोर्स फ्रॉम द PG MSc कोर्स फ्रॉम द NCERT और B.Ed होना ज़रूरी है. ठीक है. And the desirable qualifications are mentioned here that you may check down here. And the examination fee 500 rupees only. Candidates belongs to SC, ST and of Odisha and person with disability are exempted from the payment of this fee. Okay. And the place of examination, the written examination shall be held at Cuttack. It may also be held at the Bhubaneswar and Balasore, Berhampur and Sambalpur depending upon the number of candidates. Okay. So method of selection, written examination and the VIO voice. So written test and the interview will be there. The written test pattern is also given here. So you please check down, guys. And coming to the few more eligibility conditions are also given here. The candidate must be a citizen of India. The candidate must able to speak, read and write Odia. It is the most important point. Okay. And the candidate must have passed all these points clearly checked on, guys. These are all the other eligible conditions, fine. And the important points also is there. And I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So you please go through very clearly, and here how to apply is also mentioned here. So you need to visit the official website to apply online. Okay, and the candidates are requested to upload the self-attested copies of the documents as per the para 10 of the advertisement. Fine. So please go through this complete notification very clearly and then start applying. And I'm requesting you to share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments or else who are waiting for this type of notifications. Okay. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Thank you and all the best, guys.